Welcome back to You Special, this very special edition. We're still here at the Lady Andal Venkata Subbarao School and talking to these young bright kids about parents, teachers, what they really mean to them in their life. And let me just come to you and ask you about the road ahead, okay, the future. Jen, is there when you become old, do you want to become like your father or something like that on those lines?
I want to become like my father. I want to work for my father.
Okay, so that's one focus that you have in mind already, right? How old are you, Siddhant?
When I go back, I want to become a pilot and a businessman.
Okay, is that what your father does?
He's not a pilot, but he's a businessman.
Okay, so you want to be something like
Yeah.
what he's doing already. Okay. What about you?
I want to be a pediatrician. But
Pediatrician.
Yes.
Okay. Is any of your parents a pediatrician?
I think my mother's a doctor.
Okay, so something on those lines. Why do you want to become a pediatrician? I mean, that also involves treating kids
Yes.
and shouting and screaming kids because of pain. So are you ready for it? Do you think you will be able to handle it?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. Somebody else who wants to do something what their mom and dad is doing. Yeah, Shrija, what do you have in mind?
I want to cook like my mother, and I want to put kolam like my mother.
Okay, but as far as work is concerned, what do you want to do? Do you want to be like what your father does or somebody in your family? That's what you want to do. You want to maybe cook like your mother, you say. Okay. Okay, Maria, what about you? What do you want to be like?
I want to learn some recipes from my mom.
Okay.
When I grow up, I want to be like her, and I'm going to open a big restaurant
Okay.
for.
So sometime in the future, can we come over? Will you invite us for a nice dish? Yeah? Okay. What about you? Who do you want to be like? Do you aspire to be like your dad?
I want to be like my uncle, like a pilot, and my father is also pilot, so I wanted to be just like them, so I wanted to learn like them.
You want to always be like that. Okay. Somebody else who wants to be like their parents or your mom or your dad, Nihala?
I want to be like my grandmother, a doctor,
Mm-hmm. Why is that?
so I can take care when I grow up of my mother and father and all.
Wow, that's amazing. Okay. What about you?
And to be like my mother, cooking.
Cooking. Okay. And cooking means baking cakes or just cooking a lot of lovely recipes?
Lovely.
Recipes?
Things.
Yeah. And will you cook us something maybe later in the future?
Yes.
Yeah, sure. Okay. Jay, even nowadays nobody has time. Everybody is so caught up in work, and everybody says they don't have much time. So do you think when it comes to making time, maybe you would like more time from parents? Do you think is that something that you maybe want to change?
Yes.
How important is it to you? Do you think it's important that you get time to spend with your parents at the end of the day? Ask them. Do you do that now? You do that. Okay. What about you, Siddhant? Do you think it's important that children your age get some time to spend with parents? Is it important?
Yeah.
Why do you think it's important?
It's important because all children like their parents.
Okay.
So it's important to spend little time with them.
Do you think spending time with parents is important? Like
Yeah.
after school hours and all that? Why do you think it's important?
Because you can play with them after 9 hours.
Of school and all of that. Yeah. Do you ask them how their day went?
No.
No. But do you think maybe you should do that?
Yes.
Okay. Do you think spending time with parents is important nowadays? Because everybody says they don't have much time.
Yeah.
Do you have time to spend with parents?
Yes.
What do you do when you say you spend time?
We discuss
What do you discuss about?
school.
Okay. And do you ask them about work?
No.
No. Do you think you should maybe ask them about work also now? No? Is that it's fine the way it is, huh? Okay. Maria, how important is spending time with parents to you?
It's very important to spend time with our parents
Why?
because we won't have other time than to spend with our parents.
Do you get enough time with parents or are they working and because of that less time?
Yeah, my mother I can spend time with, but my father he keeps going out.
Okay. So do you wish maybe that changes sometime soon?
Yeah.
Yeah? And what would you like to do in that time?
Maybe play some games with them.
Okay. They're never too old to play games, are they?
No.
Okay. Okay, so it's time to leave the show on a dedication. So I want a little song from all of you. If you can just come and join me. They have a very special number which has perhaps inspired the entire world, right, during the FIFA World Cup 2010. I'll hold the mic and you guys can sing together. So the boys are as football crazy as ever. So they're going to be rendering us a very sweet number. Come.
Come on.
Can I give you a countdown and then will you start?
Yeah.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3, go ahead.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Give me freedom, give me fire, give me reason, take me higher. See the champions, take the world down. You're finest in the street, it's a living. Every loser in the vision, celebrations is around us. Feel the nations all around us, singing forever young, singing songs of little sound. And the boy on a beautiful day, together beautiful day. We all say, when I get older, I will be stronger. They call me freedom, just like a waving flag. Away it goes back, and then it goes back.
So with that waving flag message, quite an inspiring one, I'm going to leave you with a quote which says, children are like wet cement and whatever falls on it are pretty much impressions on them. So thanks so much for being a part of You Special, this very special edition. I hope you guys had fun and I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. If you'd like the show or like to pass on what you thought about the show, I'd love to hear from you. All you have to do is shoot me an email to feedback@ndtv-hindu.com or just pick up the phone and give us a ring and tell us what you thought about the show. Our number is 9962504179. Till next time, this is Evelyn Matthews signing off on You Special. Goodbye for now.